Welcome to my channel!
Brother printer setup wireless, connect to mobile and laptop easily. 1. Power on your Brother printer. Connect the printer to power and turn it on. Wait until it shows the home screen. 2. Open the printer's Wi-Fi settings. Go to Menu Network WLAN Setup Wizard and enable wireless connection. 3. Select your home Wi-Fi network. Choose your Wi-Fi name, SSID, from the list and enter the correct password. 4. Confirm wireless connection. Wait for the printer to display connected or print a network report to verify connection success. 5. Download the Brother mobile app. Install Brother iPrint and scan on your Android or iPhone to print directly from your mobile. 6. Connect the printer to your mobile. Open the app, tap printer. It will auto-detect your wireless Brother printer. 7. Install printer driver on laptop/PC. Download drivers from the official Brother support page and install them for wireless printing. 8. Add the printer to your laptop. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners and select Add Device to connect wirelessly. 9. Test printing from phone or laptop. Print a sample page to confirm that the wireless setup is working correctly. 10. Update firmware for best performance. Check for updates in the app or software to improve printing speed, stability, and wireless performance.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.